All right, folks, and let's start this review off with a bit of a bang. It's the DM1 Dynamite by SE Electronics. Literally, it is so loud that it is monstrous, okay? And keep everything the same volume. So now I've taken... This is going to give you 28 dB of clean gain to your microphone. The little red thing here that you're seeing came in this little packaging. It pops off and it came in here. Awesome packaging. I know that shouldn't mean much, but it does. It's awesome little talking point, good packaging, and it really does give you a bit of a boom, I guess, which is the clue in the Dynamite name. So it plugs into either the end of your microphone, or you can plug it into your user interface if you don't want people to see it. Sometimes I just leave it on stream because people wonder what it is, and it creates a bit of a talking point. You will then run the XLR cable into your interface, and it will give you 28 dB of clean gain. So why would you need this stick of dynamite? Well, a lot of microphones need a ton of power. It's basically another alternative to a cloud lifter, if you've ever heard of those. What this allows me to do, pure and simple, is take my Samsung Q2U, and instead of me having it 100% on Windows and me almost shouting into the microphone for it to hear me clearly or getting super up close, what it allows me to do is just change the volume on my mixer or, you know, in Windows. And because the lower and lower you can turn your microphone down, the less noise it's going to pick up, interference, you get a cleaner sounding audio. But this is the audio you're hearing right now through the Dynamite microphone. Okay, now if I take this out and I do a recording in Audacity and I run the same post-processing on it, you will hear the difference in volume and noise and all sorts. So this is what you're currently listening to. This is the Samsung Q2U with the Dynamite plugged in, and my gain is at honestly around 10%. Okay. Keep everything the same volume. So now I've taken the stick of dynamite out of my microphone, and you can currently hear me talking on exactly the same settings, the same voice, the same post-processing, everything. All I've done all the way up to probably around 99% on the audio interface. And now that I've taken the stick of dynamite out, I'm at around about fully cranked up on the audio interface. So I have no room to go higher or lower. I'm basically at maximum trying to make this microphone work without the stick of dynamite. Basically, it just comes in this little packaging like so. And I feel like I'm having to project to get my voice out. Okay, now if I am if I'm speaking at the same volume, take my compressor off, brace yourself. Literally, it is so loud that it is monstrous, okay? And you have to calm it down. So you can see here, if we calm this down and down and down and down, and all of a sudden we can turn it back down to around 10%. So this thing has a lot of power. This thing, I could turn this up and have a conversation down my end of my garden. Now on Amazon, this could be different, but I got it from a local sort of record shop for £66 on Amazon of the DM1 Dynamite. Let's have a look. It's coming in at £94 with multiple buying options, some for £88. What this allows you to do is basically be foolproof. If you have the microphone boom arm, which I have a review on my channel, and you have the Dynamite stick, this means at any point I can go and buy a high level microphone and plug it in and have no worries. And it also helps my current microphone. And the actual specifics of it do say that it's designed for a neutral balanced sound. It's a way to boost a signal of a passive microphone gain. The gain stays constant regardless of the connected load. And it will significantly improve the level to your preamp for proper gain staging. This is obviously something that requires 48 volts of phantom power. Most preamps have this. And I just thought that the product was unique. I thought the packaging was cool. I thought it did everything I asked for it to do. And I have no complaints. And when I have no complaints with a product and it does everything that I think it can do and it needs to do, well then pop it off, do the review. There'll be a link in the description if you do want to purchase this product. So if you're struggling with a weak microphone and you want to boost it up a bit, super good product, and it gives you that ability to, in the future, upgrade maybe to higher level microphones, higher level setups. Yeah, that's it. That's the DM1 SE Electronics Stick of Dynamite. Really, really interesting product. Really liked it.